Shri Paramatmane Namaha. May the Almighty bless you all with good luck, good health, happiness, and prosperity in your lives. Today, I wanted to educate my viewers about one thing that many of our clients come to us and they ask us that whether we should go for a diamond or a white sapphire to get the benefits of planet Venus in their lives. Many of our clients they come to us and say that our astrologer has recommended us a diamond for planet Venus, so we want to buy a diamond only. If they insist on buying a diamond, we can arrange a diamond for them in their budget. But if the people they ask us which is a better option, a diamond or a white sapphire for planetary healing, then we always suggest our clients the most scientific and the most logically acceptable scientific remedies that we can offer. We have been doing this business of providing ancient Vedic remedies to our clients, but whatever remedies we are providing our customers, our clients, we do the research and we follow these ancient scientific principles with the most scientific point of view, most scientific and logical point of view. The reason why we recommend white sapphire as a better stone than a diamond for the planetary healing, again scientifically, I would try to explain you. First, we should understand that how the gemstones heal us. The gemstones, the planetary Vedic gemstones, have to absorb, filter, and transfer the respective planetary cosmic rays through them into our body. The purpose of a Vedic gemstone is it has to absorb the rays in the form of color therapy and vibration therapy and transfer the rays through itself into our body. Now, for the rays to transfer through the gemstone into our body, what are the most important and genuine characteristics that should be there in the gemstone? Firstly, the gemstone should be big enough, should have a diameter big enough that it is able to filter a lot of rays into our body. Now, a half a carat or a 1 carat stone or a diamond, what diameter it would be having, how many rays would it be able to transfer into our body for a grown up 50 kg or a 70-80 kg body person? Proportionately, so much rays have to transfer into our body so that we get proper healing results. So the gemstone, to give us proper results, should be at least 4 to 5 carats. Ideally, we recommend the 10% proportionate body weight of the gemstone according to the body weight of the person. Like if a person is 70 kgs, then 7 carat should be the stone ideally. If a person is 100 kgs, 10 carat should be the astrological gemstone to filter and transfer enough cosmic rays into our body. But minimum, if we talk about, then for an adult the gemstone should be at least 4 to 5 carats. Now 4 to 5 carats diamond is not is not a cheap thing. It will not come into your budget. A good quality 1 carat diamond only in today's date is around 2 to 3 lakhs. A 4 to 5 carats diamond would be at least 20 to 30 lakhs, a decent good quality one. So either you have that kind of a budget, then you can go for a 4 to 5 carats diamond. Otherwise, white sapphire, which a best quality white sapphire of 4 to 5 carats would come into a budget of around 1 lakhs to 3 lakhs depending on the quality. So one reason is this, why white sapphire is a better stone. Second reason is the gemstone has to touch our body properly, has to be in contact with our body properly to transfer the vibrations, the current, the energy, and the cosmic rays into our body properly. If you'll see carefully, the diamonds that are coming in the market, more than 90% of those diamonds are pointed from the bottom. If we'll make them in a ring to touch your skin properly, it'll pierce your skin. And if we'll not bring it too down against the skin, it will not touch your skin properly. So the shape itself is not practical, that it is able to touch our skin properly. Whereas the astrological gems, if you see them, they are polished and cut in such a way that most of the astrological gems are roundish or flattish from the bottom. Whenever we make an astrological ring, they properly are in contact with our skin, so the energy and the rays are properly transferred into our body. Third reason why we ask for a white sapphire is the cut of the diamond in today's date. If you'll go on any website and try to understand the proportions in the cut in which the diamonds are being cut nowadays, they are intentionally and they are very carefully cut in such a way that the crown, the table height, the pavilion height, all are made in such a proportions that all the rays and the light that falls from the top table end of the diamond, it reflects inside the diamond and it is bounced back, reflected back from the table itself. None of the light rays leak from the bottom of the diamond. They are specially made in such a way because the purpose of the diamond is to reflect the maximum rays and give that brilliance effect, because diamond is been cut for beauty purpose, for cosmetic purpose, for putting it in a jewelry. So it is a good cut for brilliance, shining, but it doesn't solve our purpose. Our purpose is that the gemstone should absorb the light and the rays from the top and should transfer and leak and pass the rays and the cosmic energy from the bottom of the stone. So practically also, the diamonds are not cut in such a way that it lets the rays filter through it. One more reason is diamond is in the most demand in today's date. So there are a lot of treatments and a lot of manipulations coming in the diamonds nowadays. So kindly don't opt for the diamond for the healing purpose. Now what happens is, the astrologers have been reading in their in the books through which they get the knowledge that for which planet which gemstone should be recommended, which planet which gemstone should be recommended. All they have been reading in these ancient books from hundreds of years is that for Venus the diamond is the stone. But few hundred years back, when this science was given in the gemstone healing books, the Jyotish texts, at that time the diamond could come into people's budget. But in today's date, a decent, good clarity, good color diamond does not come into our budget. So it is always better to take a big size 4 to 5 carat good quality white sapphire, uh, if you have a 2 3 4 lakhs of a budget, instead of going for a very small size, very poor quality, very hazy kind of diamonds you get in this budget. So instead of that, you should go for a stone which scientifically is able to transfer and filter the rays into our body. Now, how to choose a good quality white sapphire? I would like to show this image to you. This is an image in which we are showing three white sapphires. This is the white sapphire which is being sold in the market. These white sapphires, they come in a very less price. They are kind of white sapphires which are not properly white also. They are very dull white, yellowish or grayish or bluish white kind of sapphires. It has a lot of clouds and haziness and frost kind of internal structure. So these kind of white sapphires are not able to filter and transfer the pure white cosmic rays of planet Venus. The Venus cosmic rays are the white cosmic rays. So the stone which would be able to filter the pure white cosmic rays is the stone which would be white, which would be transparent, which would be clean. So instead of buying this kind of a white sapphire, which many people are selling online and different shops you'll go to, they'll be selling these kind of white sapphires in very cheap price. Instead of buying such a poor quality white sapphire, it's a better option to go for the substitute stone of the white sapphire, which is the opal, Australian opal, not the Ethiopian opal. Otherwise, a white zircon. Now, in zircon aspect, I would like to again warn you that the zircon which is being sold in the market, 90%, 99% the zircon which is being sold in the market, in the name of zircon, it is actually cubic zirconia. It is not a natural, nature made stone. It is a man made glass, which is, the technical name is cubic zirconia, but that stone is sold at more than 99% places in the name of zircon. It's a very cheap stone. It hardly costs 100 to 100 rupees for the complete stone, but it will not give you any healing results because it is not a natural stone, it's a piece of a glass. A natural zircon, good quality, costs at least 700 to 1500 to 2000 rupees per carat. If you want to buy a natural zircon, always keep that kind of a budget in your mind, and wherever you will go, you ask for the government lab certificate with the zircons that you are getting in few hundred bucks. I am sure the seller will not be able to provide you authentic certification with those zircons which you are getting in for 500, 600, 800 rupees complete stone. A natural zircon will not come less than 1000 to 1500 rupees for 1 carat. So either go for this kind of a white sapphire, which is absolutely clean, full of brilliance, luster, and it's pure white and non-heated and treated. By heating treatments also, sometimes this kind of white sapphires are made to look this kind of pure white and shiny with the treatments. So without treatments, it should be like this. They come a bit high in price, but they are very effective astrologically. They are able to filter and transfer the maximum Venus cosmic rays into your body. Otherwise, if you have a slightly medium budget, then go for these kind of white sapphires also, which are natural, non-heated, non-treated. They are pure white, but if they have few little haziness or little natural feather marks inside, as long as those are not black feathers, black marks, or black included crystals, they are not bad astrologically. They give you perfect astrological results. So if you're looking out for a good white sapphire for yourself, you can visit our website purevedic-gems.in, and then you can, in the products section, you can visit in the our product collections section. This is the white sapphire link. If you'll click this link, you will land up onto this page where we have displayed all our white sapphires, absolutely original pictures, close-up pictures are given, not sample pictures. On our website you will always get the original genuine pictures of the stone that you will be getting, that you will be ordering us. Now on the top end in our gemstone, you will find in most of the gemstones economy written below the stones, and then there would be stones which will be mentioned premium under the few stones, and after premium under few stones it will be super premium, then luxury, then super luxury. Now what this means is the economy quality of the stones are the stones which are least in quality, but they are also natural stones, they are also Vedic stones, but they are having too much internal marks inside, and the brilliance and the luster is little less. That's why the price is less. So they will also give you healing results, but not as good as the higher quality ones, the premium and the super premium ones. And the luxury and the super luxury category stones on our website are the best quality gemstones that we have displayed for our clients. They are the stones which give you super excellent astrological results, but they are very rare stones. These kind of gems are very rare, so that's why they come a bit higher in price. So if you are looking out for a perfect healing stone for strengthening the powers of planet Venus in your lives, if a good astrologer is asking you to wear a stone of planet Venus and strengthen the Venus in your lives to get the luxuries, the improve your relationships, then you can call us, you can visit our website to take our advice, our help in making you select a decent Venus stone in your budget. Go for a good quality white sapphire. Otherwise, a medium quality white sapphire. The weight of the white sapphire depends on the quality of the gemstone and your body weight. Both things proportion we have to take care. If you have a lesser budget, instead of going for a very poor quality white sapphire, go for a good quality Australian opal or a natural zircon, and kindly don't just keep uh, following the same old thing that your astrologer has been telling you, because astrologers have read in their books that for Venus there is diamond, shukr ke liye hira. That's not the case. Okay, thank you very much.